Most of our BYU Independent Study math courses utilize our virtual math lab, a media tool designed to place students in a virtual learning environment that takes some of the distance out of distance math education. Designer Scott Gucci created the lab to be comprehensive, so it includes examples of every problem in each of our math lessons. He also made the lab interactive and fun.
I really love the math lab. Math can be a lot of fun if you'll actually spend the time to work on the problems. And that's the whole concept behind the math lab is just give the students more chances to work on additional problems. To have the students actually feel like they're participating in the real class. In other words, if I'm struggling with a concept in a lesson, but I'm not sure exactly what they're meaning, the math lab pops up. It gives me a chance to actually put my hands on the chalkboard, write on the chalkboard, erase the problems, and actually see if I can get it right. And then if I can't get it right, I'm able to just click on the icon that lets me look at my instructor. My instructor comes down on a screen, tells me, hey, this is how you do it, and it's interactive.
One of the skills we need to have is to be able to subtract assigned numbers and add them. Well, using your calculator is a big help, particularly when the numbers are quite large or involve decimal values, as you see here.
There's some students who just love to see things. They're visual learners. The reason why I created the math lab the way I did is to make it look like an old classroom, where you go in, sit down at an old desk, have a big chalkboard in front of you, and you just get busy with math. We've got a couple other fun things in there like music. They can be able to listen to some music. We included a calculator so they can look at a calculator, use it to help them figure out their problems. One of the biggest complaints we get is, I need more problems. I want to work out more problems. I need to see more problems. Math's a game. It's a repetition. You have to learn through math by repetition. So the math lab gives them tons of repetition. And then if they really can't figure it out, just watch the instructor. He'll show you or she'll show you exactly how to do it.
For this next problem, we're going to take this system of equations and solve it using matrix equations. So what we want to do is we're going to take the coefficients.
It becomes a wonderful tool for a student to say, if I can just see my instructor, if I could just have an instructor in front of me, then it would make a world of difference with this math course. Well, this gets the instructor right in front of them, and so that's what makes the math lab not only efficient, but fun.